Hello guys, so I was browsing on eBay and found this damaged JBL FLIP 4 on sale for 20 bucks. In the description, the seller said that there is a buzzing and cracking sound when music is played. I figured it could be a bad battery or driver. So for 20 bucks, I went ahead and ordered the speaker to see if I can fix it. The package came nicely packed, and the speaker is nicely wrapped in a good amount of bubble wrap. First off, let's test out the speaker so we know what we're dealing with. As you can hear, there's a noticeable cracking sound when the music is played. I did a few more tests and this cracking sound only comes when the volume is high. Also, I noticed that the light seems to dim out every time the bass hit. This is a good sign that maybe it's just a bad battery. So first thing first, we need to remove the outer fabric cover by prying onto the side like this. You should hear a click once you get the tab to release. Repeat the same thing on the other side. After releasing the clip, the cover just comes right off. So good news, the two driver looks good. The enclosure shows no sign of crack or damage. So let's go ahead and continue to take apart the FLIP 4. After removing the screw, you have to release the tab holding down the frame onto the speaker. After the tabs are released, the frame just comes right off. The two passive radiators are held down by a few screws that will need to be unscrewed. Repeat the same thing on the other side. All the internal parts looks good to me. There's no sign of damage at all. Looking good so far. This is the compartment where the battery is located. We will need to unscrew this piece of plastic to get access to the battery. From the look of it, the battery is bad. You can tell by how swell it looks. When the battery is like this, it will be hard to take out. You will need to unscrew the charging port so you have space to push the battery out. Alright, there we go. Looking at the battery, look how swelled it got. It is definitely no good. You can get a battery like this on the link in the description. So let's go ahead and install the new battery. You just slide right in, just like so. Alright, time to put everything back together. Okay, now the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and test it out. If you find this video helpful, you can help my channel grow by liking and sharing this video. Feel free to comment below and consider subscribing to my channel if you are new here. I'll be making many more videos just like this, so you don't want to miss out. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.